Hey y'all, it's Jen. Thanks for stopping by. Just gonna do a quick video. I started working on my waterfall journal using the Volcanic Strength Kit, available over on mindfullimage.com. This is a digital printable kit. So I started this waterfall journal, right? And I was all excited about it, and I thought this would be really cool. And then I started working with the ladies, and I'm not happy with it. So I'm gonna change the whole design of the journal. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I have a few ideas. But to me, with as much movement as there is in all of the images, I mean, there's a lot of movement. To me, these straight edges just aren't doing it for me. All these straight edges. So I'm gonna be doing something different. So it happens. A lot of times I'll start a journal and I'll get a couple of pages into it, and I'm for sure this is exactly what I'm doing, and then it all changes, and that's okay. It actually happens to a lot of us who create journals. So watch for future videos using this digital printable kit, but I will not be making a waterfall style journal with this particular kit right now. It's not flowing well for me, and I'm just not feeling it. Absolutely love the papers though. So I will be coming up with something different. I need to go back and dig through my stash of things and see what I can work out. All right, thanks for watching, y'all.